Okay, colleagues, good evening. From the slide that I have indicated to you, which is slide 45, you are going to go to the slideshow mode. From the slideshow mode, you are going to say, click this link, https ://scratch.meet.edu/studios and the number that is dedicated to the Schoolnet platform. Then you're going to click on the link. When you click on the link, it will take you to the Scratch platform. So it's busy opening. Come on. Then you are going to join Scratch. Hence, you haven't created any Scratch. If you have created any Scratch platform online, you are going to sign in. But for now, we are going to join Scratch. Then you click on join Scratch. After you have joined Scratch, it will take you to the profile creator. And then you select any username. I will say Molly SA. I hope this username is not used by anyone. And then you can create a password. Then okay, it says username is already taken, try another one. And then Molly's SA12, this is what I have chosen. And then I'm going to create a password. A password must be at least a maximum of 8 characters. You can say 1 2 3 4 capital M small letter D and then hashtag 4. So make sure that you don't forget that. Don't forget that. Your password is 1 2 3 4 MD hashtag 4. Then you are going to repeat this again so that it correlates. MD hashtag 4. And then you go to the next one, and then if you want your browser to save your password, you're going to click on got it, and then it will go. But if you don't want your browser to save your password, you say never. Like for now, I'm just doing this for an illustration. Then what country are you coming from? You're going to click on the drop down arrow, scroll down and select South Africa, and then you go next. When were you born? You select the month that you were born, the year that you were born. If you were born in 1956, 1973, and so on, you put the year, and then your gender there. You select the gender. You go straight to what is your email address. Make sure that you put in the email address that you are going to access, so that you can be able to verify your account. So I'm going to go with this one. Okay, let me type it. Okay, it took it to plasma@yahoo.com. I'm going to click next, and then it has created, and then I'm going to get started. And then when I'm going to get started like that, the next step is for me to upload my Scratch, the Scratch that I have created. Now, this is my Scratch platform. So here you can see it says confirm your email to enable sharing. Okay, so for you to be able to share, you must go to your email. So it's either you're going to open your email on your cell phone where you can access it quickly, and then you confirm your email. Then you will get an email there. If it's not visible in your inbox, you will go to your spam. You will go to your spam. Probably on your spam, you will find the email that is sent there. So it will say non-reply at scratch.meet.edu, and then you're going to click on it. It's not showing right now as I'm talking, and then you will get a link there, and it will say confirm my account, and then you click on confirm my account, and then when it has confirmed your account, the yellow line here will go. So my account is being confirmed, and then I'm not going to open it from here. I'm just going to close this. I'm just going to close this. Please close. And then you're going to go to create. And then when you create your Scratch, it will open a Scratch platform like the one from the offline version that we did. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's taking time. Network is a problem. Oh gosh. And the more it's taking time, is taking a lot of megabytes, and it can have a problem uploading this. Come on. Okay, while it's still uploading, what you're going to do when you click on upload, you go to the notes. On the notes, you will see that there was a place where you were supposed to create an online platform or a profile. Then you go to where it says file, and then you go and select upload from my laptop. And then when you upload from your laptop, you're going to select your Scratch project according to how you have saved it into your laptop, and then you upload it. And then that will be the link that you can use to share on either the attendance register next time that you're going to do it, or alternatively, you will upload your project where the link is showing you on the SchoolNet Scratch. So fortunately it has opened. I'm going to go to file and say load from my computer. I'm going to load my Scratch from my computer, and then quickly I'm going to go to the documents that I have created, Scratch projects. Okay, let me go back and load from here. Scratch modules. Where did I save it? Oh, Scratch grade 5 Scratch. I think this is where I've saved it earlier. Grade 5 Scratch project. This is what I've done today, and then I'm going to upload it. I'm going to replace the contents of the current project which has opened. So then there it is. You can see this is the project that I did today when I was with you. Then I have uploaded it. Now on top there, on the address bar, you can see that this is your link. So you can copy this by holding down your mouse on the link, highlight up to where the number ends. You can leave out the editor, and then you can right click and copy. And then when you have right clicked and copy, and then you can go to the attendance register and post what you are supposed to post. Thank you very much.